Hello guys, today I'm going to harvest this chili. So look at this chili. There's still a lot. I already harvested it and it's still some more. So look at that. Amazing. So let's harvest it now. Because you know guys, look at that. Chili is an amazing plant. Because look, there's some more flowers. So it's continuous. It's a non-stop flowering, non-stop fruiting. Chili is a very best plant to have in your garden. You can eat it and it's a good display as well. It's very nice. Okay guys, so let's harvest. So I'll harvest it first guys. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'll harvest it and then I'll show you. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, let's harvest this one as well. This, and look at that, there's lots of flowers as well. So let's harvest this. This is the last one. There, it's sitting in the soil there. So that is the chili I harvested today.